The world of action cameras is heating up like never before, and the competition for the top spot is more intense than ever. For years, GoPro reigned supreme, setting the gold standard with rugged, compact devices made for adventurers, creators, and thrill seekers alike. But then DJI entered the arena, and the game completely changed. With the Osmo Action series, DJI didn't just step in, they disrupted the entire market. Each new release brought innovation, fresh ideas, and features that won the hearts of creators around the world. The Action 5 Pro proved just how far DJI was willing to go, delivering next-level performance, durability, and versatility. But now, all eyes are on the future, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 is on the horizon. The question is, will it be a small step forward, or a bold leap that redefines action cameras all over again? Early leaks and FCC filings suggest the Action 6 isn't just another update, it's shaping up to be a serious upgrade. Codenamed AC0006, this device is designed for creators who demand power, durability, and reliability. One exciting detail is its support for DJI's 30W USB-C fast charger, meaning less waiting and more shooting. When it comes to toughness, DJI has always delivered, and the Action 6 looks ready to push boundaries even further. Reports suggest it can withstand freezing cold as low as 20 degrees C and heat up to 45 degrees C. Whether you're climbing snowy peaks, diving into icy waters, or trekking across scorching deserts, this camera seems ready for it all. Connectivity is another big win. With support for advanced Wi-Fi protocols and Bluetooth 5.1, creators can expect faster transfers, smoother syncing, and overall better reliability in the field. For anyone working in fast-paced environments, these little improvements make a huge difference. Following DJI's release cycle, it seems likely the Action 6 will launch between August and September 2025. Leaks show a familiar dual-screen design loved by vloggers. But what's really sparking debate is a mysterious pill-shaped component below the front display. It's not a button, not a speaker, something completely new. Could it be a next-gen sensor, gesture control, or a surprise feature we've never seen before? Another hint from the FCC reveals two different battery sizes, 1770 mAh and 1500 mAh. This strongly suggests DJI may launch two models, a standard edition and a pro edition, giving users the choice between lightweight portability and powerhouse endurance. And here's the kicker. The leaks aren't your usual blurry, low-res shots. These images are clear, detailed, and perfectly timed with the FCC's confidentiality period ending. It almost feels intentional, like DJI is teasing fans and letting the hype spread naturally. From what we've seen so far, the Osmo Action 6 could be a game-changer. Rugged durability, advanced connectivity, refined design tweaks, dual battery options, and that mysterious new feature no one can quite figure out yet. DJI looks ready to make a bold statement in 2025, so what do you think that pill-shaped component could be? Drop your theories in the comments. I'd love to hear your guesses. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to GadgetVerse for more deep dives, updates, and hands-on reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.